This is the only price action strategy that you will ever need to make profit for lifelong. So watch this video very carefully. And if you want to copy my trades automatically in your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Just follow the instruction and start to copy my trades automatically in your pocket option account. Now without doing any delay, let's get into our today's main topic, that is to make profitable trades by using price action strategy. So firstly, what I would suggest you to do is just select all of these currency pair that have 90% payout and OTC, of course, okay, and then make these candles M1, that is 1 minute. All of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. And then one important thing, if it is flag, make it clock at here and make this M1, so that expiration time period of your trade will be of 1 minute. So now just decide the amount that you want to invest. So let's say in our case we'll invest $100 per trade. I can show you by making $1,000 to $1,000 per trade also. That is not a big deal for me, but showing that will not help you a lot because you are still going to make $10 per trade, $100 per trade, $50 per trade. So showing the practical amount in the video and strategy is best option. I think that's why I show this kind of amount that is real and practical. And don't forget to like this video. So now what you can do is just click on indicators and select this zigzag so that you can clearly see where the market is going and where are its support and resistance. So let's see in another currency pair. Here you can clearly see here is a support at here and market is coming to the support. You can make one trade at here, okay, if you see this kind of thing. And if it goes against you or if it comes more below, you can make 2-3 more of the 2-3 trades. As you can see here, market is trying to struggle at here, but let's see what happens in this trade. And if it goes wrong, then we can make other trades also in the same format. So let's see in another currency pair. Here you can see no any place to make trade at here. Same thing is at here also. Here you can see. So here you can see we are making something wrong. So we'll make 3-4 trades at here and try to recover our loss. But let's see what happens. As you can see, it is a strong support at here. Market have bounced back from this area, as you can clearly see at here. So let's wait for market to show us what exactly it is going to do. So we have made one loss, okay, that's fine, but we have still made 3 trades, as you can see here. And here you can see market is trying to pull back, and of course it may go a little bit upward because it is a solid support. We got a very nice entry at here, but again market can go in the wrong direction at any time, okay. That is the trading. There is always going to be risk of losing your money, so only invest the money that you can afford to lose. As you can see here, we have 7 seconds and most probably we are going to make profit, I think. But again, suddenly market can go down and it can make us loss. As you can see here, our 3 trades went profitable. So you just need to use the zigzag indicator and find an appropriate place where you can make trade. And if the trade goes wrong, increase the trade amount, okay, if you can. If you don't or if you cannot, then just use the same amount. So let's see. Here you can you can clearly see there is a resistance area at here by the help of this zigzag, and anywhere at here or anywhere at above in the same lining, if you see the market, you can make trade by clicking on lower. But I would suggest you, if you see this kind of up trade, then try to take entry in this kind of position. Here you can see here is a support, here is a support, here is a support, and most probably here also it can be a support, so you can make a trade by clicking on higher. However, I'm not going to make this trade at here, but you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was informative for you, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.